Cribl stream functions sampling. Now, sampling, as the name implies, it filters out events based on an expression or a sampling rate. Essentially, it's useful. It allows you to manage high-volume, low-value data by selectively keeping only a subset of the events. So if you've got events coming in tens, hundreds, thousands times a second or a minute, maybe that's a little bit too much and you don't necessarily need all that. You just need 1/10 or 1/100th of that. And it's pretty easy to set up. So as you can see on the screen here, on the right, I think I had about 100 events. And what I did is I set it up. So I said basically 1 out of 10. And it kind of filters out the rest. It's pretty easy to do. So let's jump into a quick demo and I'll show you how you can do this. Okay, so here I am in Stream again. I'm going to go under Add Function, select Standard, and I'll just select Sampling down here. Pretty easy to do. I'll do a sampling rule, true, 1 for 1 out of, let's just say 1 out of 100. And I'll save that. And as you can see what's happening there, if I look at the inside, I've got all these. I think I've got about 100 in there. And go on the outside, I can look at, as you can see, 1 out of every 10. Told you it was easy. And if you want some more information, maybe a deeper dive into some of the additional configuration options you have, go into the Cribl docs and go under the sampling documentation.